watching Germangyan. My name is Nidhijain and guys, today we are up with a new video, and first of all I just want to wish you happy Children's Day. Yes guys, to everyone from Germangyan, we just want to wish you happy Children's Day. And guys, on this Children's Day we are up with a new video, and this video is all about the unknown facts about the Children's Day. So you wanna know how different countries, how everybody do celebrate this Children's Day, because in India, like I'm having a very amazing childhood memories in the school when we used to celebrate Children's Day. Our teacher used to perform for us. Oh my god, what amazing and the cherishable moments of my school which I remember. So yeah, make sure to watch this video till end. And guys, if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhijain. I am a CEO and the founder of Germangyan. Germangyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So yes guys, make sure to subscribe Germangyan channel, and Germangyan is the one-stop solution to all your needs. And guys, we'll catch you in the end of the video. Let's start the video, and again we just want you wish happy Children's Day. Let's start.
Let's start with the video and learn some unknown facts about Children's Day. The first thing is that the International Children's Day and the Universal Children's Day are different. Yes guys. So, the International Children's Day is observed on 1st June in many countries such as Russia, China and several Eastern European countries, while Universal Children's Day, declared by the United Nations, is celebrated on November 20th to mark the adoption of the Declaration of Rights of Child in 1959. Both are meant to promote the rights and well-being of children worldwide, but are observed on different dates. Can you guess in how many countries Children's Day is celebrated? So the correct answer is in over 40 countries. Around the world, Children's Day is celebrated more than 40 countries, though it is not a public holiday in all the places. Some countries like India observes the day with ceremonies, festivals and special events in schools. Meanwhile, in other nations, the focus is more on the children's right, welfare and education. The next point is that Children's Day was inspired by the Declaration of the Rights of the Child. The United Nations officially declared 20th November as a Universal Children's Day in 1954 to encourage understanding and welfare of children. This date was chosen to honor the adoption of the Declaration of the Rights of the Child in 1959, which outlined specific rights for children such as the right to education, protection, and opportunities to develop to their fullest potential. The next point is that Children's Day is much more than just a day for fun, games, and celebrations. It's a global event dedicated to recognizing and promoting the rights and well-being of children. Celebrated in various countries on different dates, Children's Day serves as an important reminder that every child deserves a safe, healthy, and supportive environment to grow in. And the day brings attention to serious issues that affect children worldwide, such as child labor, right to education, health and their well-being, protection from abuse and exploitations. Now, talking about India, so Children's Day in India is a celebration dedicated to honoring and appreciating the joy and innocence of children. It is observed annually on November 14th, which is the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. Nehru, affectionately called Chacha Nehru by children, had a deep affection for young people and believed they were the future of the nation. He envisioned a society where children had access to quality education, opportunities for growth, and protection of their rights. Now, who can guess that where the first Children's Day was celebrated? So, Children's Day was first celebrated in Mexico, while UNICEF and the United Nations now celebrate Universal Children's Day on 20th November. The first Children's Day was actually celebrated in Mexico in 1925. The idea came about at the World Conference for the Well-being of Children in Geneva. Mexico was the first country to declare an official day to honor children. Now, the most important thing, that Children's Day does not always fall on the same day in every country. In Turkey, it is celebrated on April 23rd, while in India, it is celebrated on November 14th in honor of Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, who was known for his love and care for children. So, yes, the dates are different in all different countries. The original Children's Day in the US was celebrated in 1857. The idea of Children's Day celebration was first introduced in the United States in 1857 by a congregational minister, which is Dr. Charles Leonard. He wanted to honor children as a separate group deserving of attention and love, much like Mother's Day and Father's Day. However, it wasn't until much later, in 1925, that Children's Day became an official event worldwide. Now, talking about Japan. So, in Japan, Children's Day, which is also known as Kodomo no Hai, is celebrated on 5th of May. The day features flying koinobori, which is large colorful carp streamers. The carp symbolizes strength and perseverance, as the fish is known to swim upstreams against strong currents, representing the hopes that children will grow up strong and successful. And in China, the Children's Day is celebrated on 1st June, and it is also a national holiday, especially for younger kids. Schools are closed and children enjoy special performances, games, and even receive small gifts. It's a day dedicated to honoring the country's children and promoting their rights. In South Korea, Children's Day is observed on May 5th, and it is a public holiday. It is a family centered celebration with many families go on a trip, visiting parks, or enjoying cultural events. It's a day for parents to spend quality time with their children. Children's Day in Uganda is focused on education. In Uganda, Children's Day is celebrated with the goal of raising awareness about children's education and their rights, and schools often organize performances, debates, and exhibitions that highlight the importance of education and children's well being. And now, talking about Turkey's Children's Day, so it has a unique twist. In Turkey, April 23rd is Children's Day, and it is the only national holiday in the world that is dedicated to children. The day is part of National Sovereignty and Children's Day, where children take over the government for the day and the Prime Minister is replaced by a child. This tradition emphasizes the importance of children in shaping the future. Can you really imagine that a child is playing the role of a prime minister? Wow, this is such a nice concept. Children's Day in the Philippines is about empowering kids. So, in the Philippines, Children's Day is observed as the day to focus on empowering children, and the country celebrates this day with activities that promotes children's participation in society, from school plays to discussions about children's rights. While many countries have an official Children's Day, the United States does not celebrate it as a national holiday. There have been efforts to make it an official holiday, but as of today, Children's Day is not widely recognized as a public holiday in the US, and it is celebrated by some organizations and schools, usually on 1st June or in October. Nigerians celebrate Children's Day with parades and awards. In Nigeria, Children's Day is celebrated on 27th May, and it is a public holiday marked with parades, award ceremonies, and the cultural performances in schools where children are recognized for their achievements in academics, sports, and arts. In many countries, Children's Day is also focused on raising awareness about child labor. It draws attention to the millions of children around the world who are forced into work rather than attending schools and playing. The day is used to promote initiatives that protect children from exploitations. These lesser known facts about Children's Day not only highlight the global reach of their celebrations but also underscore the deeper significance of the day, focusing on the rights, welfare, and future of children worldwide.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed this Children's Day video because I enjoyed a lot. So yes, I just want to wish you a very happy Children's Day once again from Germangyan. Take care, cheers, and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with Germangyan. Take care, cheers.